Okay, you guys, we got us an Amazon package, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing. We have a butter dish for our countertop. I have been wanting these for a while. I've seen them online, so you can always have fresh, soft butter. So I went ahead and ordered this one from Amazon. And let's see what we have here. Like it's very nicely packaged here. So this part right here, you're supposed to be able to put water in. Let me turn down the brightness some so you guys can actually see some of the detail. Okay, had to turn down the brightness some so you guys can see the detail. But this is a butter dish. There's a water line right here. You fill it up with water up until this point right here. And this just sits on your countertop. And I wanted something else to decorate my countertop anyway. So I was like, this is a nice dish. And it says, butter, have a nice day. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this is the top of it, which the butter actually fits in. And then you can sit it, you can take it out and you can sit it and have butter. And this is the butter dish. So we're gonna get ready to actually fill it up. I actually have some softened butter. So we're gonna go ahead and fill it up with some softened butter. I will be right back. But I think this is a cute little butter dish if you guys are looking for a butter dish. Okay, now that we've gotten our butter dish clean, I have my favorite. I've been having this sit on the counter. So this is the Kerrygold block of butter. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pack the butter in the top of the lid. So in order to do this, you guys, you gotta make sure that your butter is already softened. And I'm just gonna scrape the top of it like that. Make sure we have an even surface. Now, what it says next is we're supposed to put our water in up to this line. So I have cold water. I'm using bottled water. And it looks like I filled it up a little too much, so I'm gonna dump a little bit out. Okay. So I just went and poured a little bit of the water out, so it's right there at the water line. Now you want to take, this is supposed to stay packed in here. So this is supposed to stay packed in the top. So to keep it fresh, you put it in like this, and you're supposed to always have fresh water. Fresh butter. But you want to change out your water every 2 days. Or if you want to change your water out every day, you can change your water out every day. But you want to keep fresh water in here. But this is the butter dish, and then you can just sit it on your counter wherever you like to sit your butter. Up to you. But we'll come back and maybe I'll make some waffles or something and see how the butter works. Okay, but this is the butter dish that I just got, and I think it is so cute and it's pretty on the countertop. Until next time, guys, bye.